If your septic tank is overflowing or backing up, it can totally mess up your day and your home, so knowing how to handle it fast is key. Okay, so first thing, you gotta pump your septic tank on the regular. Like every 3 to 5 years, depending on how big it is and how much water you use. This keeps all that gunk from piling up and causing backups. Next, try to cut down on water usage because flooding the system with too much water at once makes the tank overload and backflow happens. Fix any leaks in your faucets or toilets. Even small drips add up and stress the septic system. Also, be mindful about what you flush. No grease, wipes, or harsh chemicals, since they can clog or kill the bacteria that break down waste. Check your drain field to make sure it's not soggy or smelly, because that's a warning sign it's not absorbing water like it should. If you spot anything weird, call a pro to get it looked at before things get worse. And don't forget to keep heavy stuff off the drain field area, like cars or equipment, to avoid compacting the soil and ruining drainage. One of the biggest mistakes people make with septic tanks is skipping regular pumping, which leads to overflow and nasty backups. Fix that by setting a pumping schedule and sticking to it. Another common issue is flushing things that don't break down, like wipes or feminine products, which clog pipes and tanks. Just toss those in the trash instead. A third problem is ignoring drain field problems like soggy spots or bad smells, which can mean system failure. If you notice those signs, get a septic professional to inspect and repair it right away. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the stress. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with people looking for work, helping them build their business with real customers.